This is my brand new 150 watt CO2 laser. It's got an 8.5 foot bed by 4.5 wide. I have a 4th axis table for it right there that I use. That's why I have these couple pieces out here, because I'll pop these 2 out. I'll set it on that board and I'll kind of clamp it to the side, and then I'll use the 4th axis because you got to set it down in there a little bit to get that clearance. It's a really, really nice machine. It's 150 watts. It's got a spin. It's got a chiller right here. It's got the 2. You can turn the laser off when you're just test running stuff. It'll cut probably 2 inches of acrylic. I've doubled those up right there. I believe those are almost 1 inch right there, and it'll cut right through there like butter. It's got 2 industrial grade exhaust fans. I started doing the hard lines on here, but only reason I'm getting rid of it is because I want to get actually one that will do mixed media that does metal also, and I want to get a 300 watt now that I've used this one. I've only used this thing maybe, I don't know, 20 or 30 times. I said it's brand new, runs great. I run light burn on it. You can see here, light burn controls it perfectly. To move it here. Zoom in. So it's real easy to use. You just manually do the offset for the Z. Just stick this piece over your workpiece, and you unscrew that nut right there. You stick this under there, bring it down on top of there, make sure it's the right size, tighten it up. It's pretty easy. So check it out here. I got this little circle right here that we can cut through all these. And like I said, I've cut through this whole stack right here at one shot. And this right here is about 1.5 inches. It cut right through it like butter. Here's some other pieces that I cut. I cut both these at the same time, split them apart, peeled the paper off. And these are actually doubled up. It cuts super perfect, super clean. Let's see here, I'll start it and then we'll run over here and watch it. It can go a lot faster. I just got to run it slow to make sure that it punches all the way through. You see there, it dropped right out. Look at how perfect that hole is. So you can pretty much cut anything with this except for like steel. It's a really, really nice machine. Nothing wrong with it. I priced these out here in the US, and they're like $25,000, $30,000 to even get close to getting one of these. It has the Ruida controller on it. Really easy to use. There's a lot of information on the Ruida online, and a lot of information on this light burn as well. You can also use Fusion 360, which I use for my CNC machines, but I just started using this light burn, so I just keep using it. Really, really nice unit. Even if you order this, I ordered this from overseas and it took me 6 months to get it here. So, and I think I have around, I don't know, 6 months, 7 months altogether in getting this built and getting it shipped over here. So if you're looking for a really, really nice laser, this is it. Don't hesitate to buy it. It's basically brand new. Like I said, I've used it for some foam inserts, and I've used it to engrave some stuff with the 4th axis, and I've cut out, you know, some brackets and stuff like that with it, but that's really all I've done with it. It's in perfect condition. So that's about it for this laser. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. My name's Randy. My number is 502-999-2620. Thanks for looking.